sourdough bread, rustic baguettes, and even croissants. Have you ever wanted the delicious smell of these artisan recipes to come from your very own oven? Then you need look no further than this sourdough mastery course. Designed to allow you to gradually build your baking skills as you progress and learn the methods behind world-famous recipes. My name is Marceau Dauboin, and I began my baking journey at the age of 16 when I made my first loaf of sourdough bread and absolutely fell in love with the amazing world of baking. This love is what led me to writing my first 2 cookbooks, as well as opening my very own artisan home bakery called the Yeastie Bois. Throughout this course, I will be sharing with you all of the knowledge I have acquired over years of experimentation and practice. With the help of concise yet in-depth lectures, we will deconstruct all covered recipes, from the infamous rye loaf to these delicious sourdough bagels. It is a misconception that sourdough starter can only be used to create sourdough bread, when in reality it is capable of developing immense flavor through all of your baked goods. This is why all of the recipes covered in this course will be achieved while exclusively using your own naturally fermented sourdough starter, which you will learn to make from scratch. This will supply your breads and pastries with unprecedented flavor and texture without any artificial ingredients or enhancers. Whether you simply want to enjoy delicious bread or even develop your own artisan skills, there is simply no better way than with this sourdough mastery course. So I do hope that you will be joining me, as well as the hundreds of successful students who have already begun their sourdough baking adventure.